Here you go, eat your breakfast. Lots of hay and fresh fruit this morning.
Their safety is our heart. That's it, gentle giant. Drink up, the water is cool today.
Okay, scanning now.
Reading confirmed, 37.2. Looks good.
Look at the circulatory system data. The inflammation is spreading rapidly.
Vitals are dropping. We need to stabilize him now. Everything looks optimal. Bioscans are clear across all containment units. Good.
All right, you two, in you go. Easy now, almost settled.
Elephant Fiber is synthesized ethically based on sanctuary data patterns.
Stabilizing the ecofibers now.
The projections were spot on. Look at this growth in the Savannah project.
This is incredible news for the team.
We exceeded every target this quarter.
The texture on this sheet is perfect.
Hey, make a note of the batch number.
Yeah. We have adequate stock of this grade on aisle 3.
Pressure looks good.
Integrity confirmed. Cycle complete.
This blue leather is perfect for the clutch lining.
Yeah.
It contrasts well with the charcoal sketch.
Yes.
Let's make sure the strap length works with it.
The precision on this cut is incredible.
It looks exactly like the sketch. Yeah.
And the texture is perfect. Check the precision on this corner.
Right, precision shape forming is crucial here.
Look at the speed. The precision on the stitching is absolutely flawless.
This will revolutionize how we approach the leatherwork.
This means fantastic for the heavy lifting, but the real magic is still in the hand finishing.
Agreed. The texture on this leather is responding beautifully to the tool.
Yeah. The patina on this is developing beautifully.
Yeah, it really is. Excellent work getting that luster just right.
Yeah.
Keep the pressure consistent on the sanding wheel.
If we look at the structural integration here, this support beam is essential for the load-bearing wall.
Look at the consistency here. The layering process is nearly flawless.
Remarkable. It's almost indistinguishable from the natural material.
Yeah.
The precision of the micro tools allows us to replicate the exact swirling patterns found on the artifact without causing damage.
This is cruelty-free. This is cruelty-free.
As you can see from this model, the porous structure requires the precision offered by the nano detailing unit.
The nano detailing unit allows for the rapid, precise placement of micro ornaments, revolutionizing customized manufacturing.
Check the deviation on cycle 4, please.
It's holding steady at 0.05, well within tolerance.
Good. The durability threshold has been met.
The analysis confirms the products meet the surface specifications. Look here.
Good. The AI integration is working as expected.
Yeah.
The final approval is confirmed. It worked perfectly.
Excellent. We are ready for phase 2.
These look fantastic. It's great to finally have them.
And the printer is already making next quarter's awards. This new series integrates seamlessly into existing workflows.
And the efficiency gains are significant, as you can see here.
Sustainable, ethical, powerful.
Welcome to the future of conservation. Elephant X is more than just a name. It represents hope for elephants worldwide.